Hello, I'm Ed Garland and I'm reading an extract from my novel in progress. Benson sat on the edge of the sea green couch drinking mead from a malfunctioning Run the Jewels mug. On the coffee table in front of him, a list of Google results scrolled up his laptop screen automatically. Here were all the local practitioners who offered super transformational award-winning treatments. Cranial percussion, bathing in compost, dancing with spiders, blindfolded jogging, cognitive abrasion, underwater shin kicking, expert leeches, new Labour election victory reenactment, sin eating, competitive weeping, anal hypnosis, guided blinking, emotional lacrosse, triumphant whittling, running with scissors, atheist exorcism, bee golf, neck renovation, creative butchering, Neanderthal VR, canine somatics, line towing, sauna tarot, gothic nodding, spleen work, reptilian calisthenics, Mancunian handstands, writing on cheeses and eating them, fool suffering, skeletal collage, looking through a telescope at a baby, holding hands with a stranger for an hour, and literally putting yourself in your parents' shoes. He poked the spacebar to pause the scrolling when he saw a treatment called remastering. Remastering described itself as the only anti-therapeutic sonic intervention unit with an intuitive payment spectrum in Offbury. He clicked the link, lifted a laptop onto his thighs and settled back into the couch.